It's a baby daddy here earlier. Biting.
We'd say hello. Hello. My name is Jackson. My name is Jackson.
So guys, Kai and I are in Mega Mart. Hot girl Kai, you ready this time? We're getting the ingredients for the mukbang, so I'm gonna make it quick. I'm gonna show you guys where we get the. We're gonna get some crab. We couldn't get no fresh shrimp today. The boat people them said they don't have any, but they're gonna catch crab and lobster. But for now we have corn. We're gonna get some shrimp, potato. We're going to even put some yam. I have some yam, and some other stuff. But for now, I'll see you guys when we get back to the boat people. We're gonna decide which shrimp we wanna get.
We're gonna get them a door. Wait a minute. Yeah. I run the money same time.
Isn't it nice? I could have it bigger still.
I want to upset underneath you, see. I want shrimp. What that? What? Mommy lobster?
Mommy lobster?
Teeth nice, you know.
You want?
Yeah.
Teeth nice. Go
Teeth?
next one.
Let me see it. Whoa, I haven't seen that before. Something that looks foreign. Oh, that's a weird fish.
The tiger fish.
A tiger fish?
Lionfish.
Lionfish?
And see if you cut it off, the spikes and it's poisonous.
Oh, that's weird.
Crab claw. See crab claw?
Yeah, big and nice.
Scotch, where you glue there? Where you glue? Yeah. Bring come now. Go for glue, send for glue now. Use action up.
Oh, wow, look at the fish, guys.
Wake up at a restaurant?
Yeah.
You can't tell me never seen on right. What's it called? You can't tell me never seen on just get to it. See all the things I'm doing for the vlog. Oh, the crab. Oh, them crab. That crab that look nice. Lord Jesus. Hey, what are them now? Yeah. What are that? See some more here? The one there? Yeah, go with that one there? One more. Yeah. So them two there? No, the video I got nice, guys.
First, may I see
all the commotion.
insider look of the fishermen.
Yeah, watch them too.
Me and Mama talking to
the other man. Yeah. Watch here and listen to the commotion, guys.
I never know such a fish like
right? See, that's some of that one go with them at one time. You know one, John?
Yeah.
The lobster.
Yeah, you took up 2 lobster food already.
Alright. That's just 2 we're gonna do? Yeah. Alright.
Sorry. Yeah,
look at the squid.
Where's the squid?
Oh.
Is that a chicken? Wait, what is that? What is that? It's okay, baby.
What is it? This is what?
Seafood.
Whoa. And this is conch. I love conch and I just never know so.
Oh, you love seafood.
I like conch, but I like Negro conch.
So what's so special on Negro?
I don't know the water difference.
I see him conch here.
The conch, I love conch.
Yeah. 2.5. Yeah.
2,500 really?
For one of them? Yeah.
dog. So we don't get the other one here already.
What the lobster them?
Yeah. Mama, get the crab already.
Yeah,
the
the
crab one, yeah.
So which way your crab look like?
What in this?
Them crab, what me put on him.
Oh, I think I see one. Two minutes and I come
Can we get?
Oh, no, my crab that. Oh. They get the crab already fear.
Wait, what them crab they look like? Cause them
Yeah, Mama, get the fear.
I the same one. Wait, we're good. Oh, Jackson, who's the guy?
Put it up. What do you do?
I can eat it swimming. Yeah. Gonna go on YouTube.
Eh?
Gonna go on YouTube. You ever see the eating videos, the mukbang them? With the huge crab what people eat? You know see them? You know see them.
Hey, you have one crab. Two of them. It don't weigh 14 pounds.
Alright.
How are you? Take me there. I take a picture of them. One thing there. A band player. Have an over scheme. Take me. I kill him and find him.
Gonna find the crab them?
Yeah, with me on him. I got him phone.
Oh, the video, yeah.
The panda one they kai?
No, put him in car fight, you know. No, put him in car fight.
Yeah.
That's what it's shadow.
Yeah.
Show the US myself.
Yeah.
Me nah have that.
Big on them, man, put you on them, you know.
Alright, hi guys. So these are all the lobsters.
Fresh lobsters
Fresh
right off the
lobsters.
boat, as you saw from the previous film.
Yes! Miss YouTuber Kai! Oh,
We got 3 big ones and 2 small ones.
Yeah. Ooh. And to the crab. Kai washing up the crabs. Which other YouTube mukbang people show you all these stuff? Fresh out the
Fresh,
ocean.
yep.
Oh, what do one name Mr. Krabs?
Yeah.
In we catch. Look how big it is. Alright guys.
So we're preparing it from the day before.
Yes. And also we're gonna do the sauce. We're gonna do B loves what? B loves life?
Yeah.
B loves sauce. Yes. Alright. Alright everybody. The vlog. The crab is boiling. Smell goody. And oh. The lobster. I'm recording. I'm recording. Hi. You don't have to reincarnate. So we have Top Boss URL again. We're getting some seasoning and some butter for the video. You're like gonna come over and have a feast. What else? Huh? For putting out the seasoning.
Fish flavored
Soup mix. Put a soup mix.
Yeah.
So my name is spelled Khai. Yeah.
Yeah. That's about it. I used to hate my nose, but I'm trying to look.
Really? Why?
I feel like I have a huge nose.
Your nose can't bring. Didn't I tell you can't bring Jackson in the noise?
Everybody was doubting our seafood skills. But look at us now. Look at us now.
My brother, my mother, my sister, they were all hating.
Look now.
No.
Alright, let's turn this off. Oh.
God.
Not lie. But not lie. Jesus. Good.